hope you like this reading. I hope this resonates with you. If it doesn't, can you check out the other YouTubers? One important thing, guys, is that this is the reading for the month of August for Sagittarius on romance, career, relationship, and finance. Kindly, do not think much about it because the background sound is not really cool. But I have to complete my readings because I'm late by a few days and I need to complete that reading. I don't know why, but yeah. So your romance, career, relationship, and finance. You're thinking about your stable life, guys. You're thinking about your stability into your financial aspects. Some of you might get married or might get into a relationship this month, okay? Some of you might accept an offer from the past person. Some of you might understand the self-love and self-care thing, okay? So yeah. Whoa, Sagittarius, I was right. Wow. Romance, career, relationship, and finance. Someone is coming towards you to offer a cup of love, okay? These are the channelizing message. I am not reading the tarot right now, but yeah, these are the channelizing messages for you. Sagittarius, you are a fiery energy, so I feel that you are regaining your power back, okay? Romance. Sagittarius, you are waiting for your financial abundance, okay? You are working hard towards your pentacles, your money related things, okay? You are focused on your stability, overall stability when it comes to your financial needs, financial career, financial abundance, financial money, okay? You are really focused and really working hard towards it. You are actually trying to build your empire materialistically, okay, which is really good. And you are just want a financial stability and financial abundance into your romantic love life, okay? And but also I feel that you are not focusing on a connection right now. You are much more focused on your pentacles right now in the month of August, okay? So career, I feel someone will offer a career opportunity towards you, okay, and it will change your whole life. You are just right now, you are just sitting in the month of August, you are just analyzing things. You want to work towards something, towards your stable career, okay, and an opportunity and an offer of and a new offer might come towards you regarding a new career, new job, new opportunity, new business, new collaboration, new project, okay? So think about it because that will change your whole life. It will be a wish fulfillment towards you. So whatever project you'll be dealing with, whatever offers comes, no, check, try to grab that opportunity, okay, because that will help you out to be your wish fulfillment, okay? It will bring a financial abundance to you, okay? So into your relationship, your energy is that you have been separated right now with someone, I guess, okay, because you are just focused on your money. Self-love and self-care will be your utmost priority in the month of August when it comes to relationship, okay? But I feel that you are not taking an action towards someone or something, okay? If you are into separation, someone wants that you should offer a cup of love towards them, or you should, someone is waiting for you, okay, but you are not taking any action towards anything, towards this separation. You are not taking an action to resolve these issues, okay? You're just sitting into your own throne, your own power, and you're just working towards yourself. Okay, you are not interested in taking right now any actions towards a person or a connection right now in the month of August. Okay, you will be regaining your power back in the month of August, but it will be on your own terms and conditions. It's like that. You are no more going to give a fuck about anything. Like, if it has to happen, it has to happen my way or the highway. Okay, so you are no more taking in action towards this connection or towards this person. If in the past you actually took an action towards someone, or you either you left out someone in the cold, or they left out you in the cold. Okay, so you are leaving that burdens behind and moving forward towards your own stability, your own career related thing. I think you are more focused on your career as compared to your personal life. Okay, now financial part. If you were really worried about your finances, if it was not working out good, okay, now is the time to move forward for new opportunities, new projects, new collaborations. Okay, that what I said into your career also. New offers might be coming, so do not reject it. In the past you were worried about your finances a lot. Okay, now is the time to take an action. Planning, action and implementation would be the best idea in the month of August for you guys, and you will be ready to move forward into your life. Yes, an offer of a lot of offer can come when it comes to your financial materialistic world. Okay, so grab those opportunities, do not avoid it. Okay, do not be emotional fool when it comes to your dealing with your projects or your finances. Okay, you will be highly intuitive in the month of August. What are those things which you are supposed to do, how you want to move forward. Some of you might enter into a marriage also. Okay, like some of you might get an opportunity to get married, or some of you might enter into a long term committed relationship who are single. Okay, but single people are actually focused on money a lot. Okay, they are focusing on their materialistic world and their stability. Okay, and the people who are already married, they are not taking action towards this connection if you are into separation currently. So let me tell you one thing. If you are a twin flame connection, you will be reconciling after 2 months or 3 months from now. Okay, if you are a soulmate connection, a reconciliation will be happening. And if married life was not going on good and you are a twin flame connection, then things will be better. Okay, but if you are a karmic partner or karmic relationship you are dealing with, that you might deal with a divorce. You might deal with a complete ending with the relationship, because karmic cycles are ending, old cycles are ending this month. Okay, so yes, you are going through a lot of spiritual awakening right now, a spiritual healing. Okay, so I don't see any reconciliation into your romantic love life right now, but you will have to take a major decision, either this or that. Okay, in the upcoming weeks for you guys. Okay, so do not worry about it, because you will choose wisely, because you are a fire sign. You will make wise decisions, but do not be emotional when it comes to relationships. Okay, so yeah, think from your mind, not heart. Okay, you will be manifesting a lot of manifestations will be coming true. Okay, and if you are not manifesting before, start manifesting it. Hope, believe, and manifestations are the major key for your success in the month of August. Okay, see, the lovers, two people, twin flame connection and spiritual connections are about to reconcile, reunite in the upcoming months or upcoming weeks. Okay, not this month definitely, but yeah, thinking about each other, planning, or universe is aligning you with the same. Okay, adventurer, you are ready to go towards an adventure. You are thinking about to take a new vacation. You are thinking about planning a new vacation or going on a road trip. Okay, so yeah, your conditioning would be really good. Like the way you have been brought up is the most important thing, and I think you are a self decision maker if you are a fire sign. So you will be focusing on yourself a lot, definitely. Okay, so yes, think from your mind. Don't think from your heart, okay? If in the past you were hurted, you were heartbroken about something, because you dealt with from your heart, not your mind, okay? So be practical in taking decisions, okay? If you are juggling between two choices, two connections, two decisions, or two directions, this will be the major month for the same. You will be making wise decisions about what are you supposed to do into your life, okay? If you were not participating, okay, if your foundation was not stable when it comes to your relationship or your materialistic world or your married life, okay, so now you have to, you also have to give a few inputs into your relationships, and the other person has to give. There is should be an equal give and take, otherwise the foundation will be destroyed, okay, for the marriage. So just think about it, because these are the universal message which I am getting from the uh, universe, okay? And sorry for the background sound, I cannot help it out, because my sister has come here to live for a few days, and so you have to bear with me, because we have kids over here at home, okay? So yeah, so the healing message for healthy goals, okay? If people really knew me, they wouldn't respect me. If you think so, the universal message for you is my emotional fulfillment and satisfaction radiates to everyone around me. So just be happy, be practical, okay? And don't think much about it. I think self love and self care should be your utmost priority, okay? And astrologically also, if you have to take actions about something, okay, so take major actions into your life, okay? So yes. So let's see who is your archangel for the month of August, and what they are telling you, okay? Like the messages from the archangel. Your archangel is Archangel Thuriel, okay? The message is nature nurtures me, animals and other creatures brings me messages that guide me in my life. My connections with Mother Earth provides vital energy. I am focused and grounded. So few of the people might be animal lovers, okay? You like animals, Sagittarius, okay? And I know that I have few examples of my friends who love animals, who are badly in love, like who have a connection with animals a lot, okay? So animal is your key, animal loving, so spend time with animals. This will nurture you and your inner self, okay? So your gemstone for the month of August is Cobra Jasper. That it looks like this, Cabra Jasper, COBRAGAJASPER, okay? You can Google it. So have you been getting outdoors enough? So the Archangel Thuriel message for you guys is that it is time to reconnect with nature. Get out there and put your hands in the earth, garden, walk in nature, play with animals, and allow the earth beneath your feet and the sun above your head to nurture and realign you. So spend time with nature. Spend time with animals, natures, play in the garden, walk, do whatever you want to do. It will really help you out to strengthen your body, mind, and energy, okay? So August will be the month for actions, planning, implementations. Major financial abundances on the horizon for you guys, okay? And if you are planning, karmic cycles have ended on 31st of July. If you were dealing with financial issues from last 6 to 7 years, it has ended, and now is the time. After 25th of August, you will start getting positive results when it comes to financial abundance, when it comes to your materialistic world, when it comes to your life on whole, okay? Like if things were not going on right, karmic cycles are ending, and major new beginnings, new shifts, new energies, new abundance, new potential is about to happen, okay? So it's all about, the next 6 months will be all about manifestation of wishes, manifestation of your career, manifestations of the things which you want into your life, okay? So I hope you like this reading. I hope this resonates with you. If it doesn't, kindly check out the other YouTubers, guys. And yes, kindly help us to cross 1000 subscribers, Sagittarius. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Bye bye, guys. And comment down below.